Murder them, murder them, murder them. The graveyard, me send a boy for all me dogs. Them real, we no deal with informer. To tick squeeze, boy beg please. Everything that you are mouth murderer. When it all takes squeeze.
Hey Stacy, where you there?
Why outside?
Outside where?
Outside with the dunce dogs, with beads and slugs. We're my dogs from large east and south. Chat too much dog, this easy mouth. Everything precise, no doubt. Outside with the dunce dogs, with beads and slugs. Keep it girl inside when the team jump.
Boom, boom, boom! What's good YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. Our back with another video for you guys. Right now people have Frosty 6ixx Graveyard official music video. Wanna deal with? Honestly dog, yo, no one buckle on that. Comment on the video, see your comment things video that I post. I don't post every single day already. I don't know it's shop already. Go and subscribe to the channel for the new. We're on the road to 30,000 subscribers. You understand over there? How much? 600 away. So go and smash my subscribe button. We'll see what going people. We'll see what going for that song. Yeah? Video right now. This is Frosty 6ixx first official video. You understand me? So we can see what I got on right now. Song called Graveyard. Big up yourself, Frosty. Big up all the 6ixx. Big up Y6 too. Big up everybody. You dig me? Bump 10 6 record. Big up yourself. Everybody big up yourself. Run tune. BMG, big up yourself.
Our goal is the prosecution of one of the most notorious drug traffickers in our hemisphere.
Yeah?
Frosty 6ixx. His right-hand man is Abdul.
Yes,
Once we capture Abdul, we'll squeeze him and make him give us Frosty 6ixx.
Yeah? So, I must let them tell upon bad bro. I must let them tell upon. Go on.
6.
Sure.
Youngster. Rebel.
Yeah.
Butcher. Murder them, murder them, murder them. The graveyard, me send a boy for all me dogs. Them real, we no deal with informer. To tick squeeze, boy beg please. Everything that you are mouth murderer. When it all takes squeeze, everything freeze. 357 like a transformer. Bum tunnel is sick.
All things squeeze. Head back. Hold on. Pull out a little bit more. Go on.
We no deal with informer. To tick lip squeeze, boy beg please. Everything that you are mouth murderer. When it all takes squeeze, everything freeze. 357 like a transformer. Bum tunnel is 6, 30 out the clip. Roll up, catch him on the corner. Slap 20 shots, make the Glock a work. Kill people, send them down on dirt.
Yeah.
No ambulance, copper make head squirt. Everything disappear when the Mac work.
Boom. That was a movie. But hold on there. Everything squeeze. Everybody go on. Have a big head. Sip on some Guinness. Channel come bomb in the hands right now.
Police, go fucking move.
I saw them police there bad. No, hold on. I saw them police there bad. Just jump in the house and don't fucking move. I think the police have to come out and say, I can't go to the right. Man, you come there and say, police don't fucking move.
Police, go fucking move.
Man, frightened ass, keep calm.
Give me a boss, spend the rest of your life in jail.
Give me 24 hours to consider.
2 hours.
Boss, Frosty, boss, right?
Sniper hit him from far, body pon the corner.
Oh, so the man that they say you squeeze and they might give up Frosty. Alright. Go on.
Bike up a fly straight through your window. Boy copy 1 bullet each for the duppy. Extend the blood clot clip on the 40. The graveyard, me send a boy for all me dogs. Them real, we no deal with informer. To tick lip squeeze, boy beg please. Everything that you are mouth murderer. When it all takes squeeze, everything freeze. 357 like a transformer. Bum tunnel is 6, 30 out the clip. Roll up, catch him on the course. 6 rise up the tall thing. Everybody drop dead. Kia boom, bust another one head.
Yeah.
Kick off your face, pussy must dead. My gun carry copper and lead. Me never friend a boy, we run up him out and go on like him a top shutter.
But basically what I get from this song and this artist so far, him a deal with informer. Say if a boy they go inform, where the police just get a while ago, everything I go squeeze and then my back I go, alright. We not say 40, but basically I say, you know deal with informer, you see me, you know like informer. You know deal with boy chat up basically, that me I get from me so far. It a go on good. I mean if it go on, gonna be a 5 million in the comment section, you see me I say, I'm gonna check it out on Frosty 6ixx, read up the views over there. You see me I say, go on and subscribe to Frosty 6ixx YouTube too, you see me? Run it up.
Them kind of guys will run to the police when the first brain splatter. Frosty a real bad man by himself, no need no gun, no chatter.
Yeah.
Slam you like Hulk, do logi, break your back, pussy, watch your brain splatter. The graveyard, listen a boy for all me dogs, them real, we no deal with informer. Tutti clip squeeze, boy beg please, everything that you are mouth murderer. When it all things squeeze, everything freeze. 357 like a transformer. Bum ton LS6, 30 out the clip, roll up, catch him on the corner.
Alright. Okay, I'm sorry, move it there. What do you think I watch that? Yo! Now I see the advertisement right now. But yo! Them boss out dog edit. But people want to think about Frosty 6ixx first video. They may say it's a good look. It's a good look. We like it. Like the storyline today, may I say, if my body, what do you mean farm? I'm not in farm. I'm giving life basically. Never in farm. Don't deal with inform and hold him out. Yeah. But we'll just go and stay tuned for some more videos. You understand? The video kind of off of the time schedule from normally post, but boy, not really sure doing it. We never keep it. But just start a new work and thing. You know me? You have to go and check on it. Can you YouTube not pay no rass money? If all of my videos I get black. Every time I make a video, I get to post it, brother. All of my videos I get black, dog. I know about copyright. I know some video music is copyright. You see me? I say another first video with copyright. But see when I get black. It's like I waste most of the time. I know some music copyright, so I post some of the song and I get copyright. I know the person I make money from the video. Yes, I can accept that. But one more class, I'm not get copyright, then I get black the video for you black the video for. And everybody's had the reaction for them one now get black. So, I don't understand, you know what I mean? But big up on yourself, same way, thank you for supporting me. You know what I mean? So we come thus far and we not stop. If I that alone, dog, be creative. I have a channel, you know what I say? If I realize, say, they might get black over here, so I post some. So make sure you go subscribe to the Just Ty channel. You know what I mean? I'm going to change up the content over there, so I'm going like a weekly thing. You understand? Because I message me about the channel 2 channel, the reaction pan, so I fix that. You see me? But big up on yourself, it's been your boy Tyrekevlogs. We're not deal with the informer.